This is a review or 2 days review of the MI soundbar. So pretty much this seems to be fine. There is no return. So I wanted to return this because I have a much more immersive sound from Onida because I have a 5:1 home theater. But there is no return, so I have to stick on with it. So this is something you should know before you buy it. I wanted to buy it, because I want another sound bar for my another TV. But this is pretty much good. It's not bad. It could have been more worse, but it's not. The only problem I find is like it moves, as in like if I play something, it kind of moves, and I've seen that it is moving from this direction. It just goes over here. This is the moment for the entire movie. So I was watching the entire movie. I didn't notice that because I was sitting over there, watching it, and this just moved from here. And when I was seeing, it was right here, in the edge of this table. I was just wondering, did I did something about it? But then I just was playing some music. I was able to find that it is slightly moving from here to from this edge to that the side of it. This is quiet because of the bass inside. The bass is pretty good. So that makes the entire thing move. I also checked, is it because of the wire? No, it was not because of it. Even I disconnected the optical cable and I checked it out. But still it moves on the right side for some strange reason. I'm not sure why. So that's it for my 2 days review. It's pretty much good. I really like the sound from it. It is not bad. It could have been worse, again, as I said it before. Pretty much the finish looks very plastic and very clumsome. So other than that, I guess this is quite solid.